Hello, everybody. How are you? I am just gonna quick share this. So give me a second. Say hello down in the comments. Happy National Truck Driver Appreciation Week. I love this time of year. I might love this time of year just as much as I love holidays and summer camping and so many other amazing things. And I'm excited to be here with you all today here. Let me just get this going. Here we go. All right. Happy Sunday. Happy kickoff to National Truck Driver Appreciation Week. And here at Mother Trucker Yoga, we want to kick it off with something simple for you, something to help jumpstart your week and hopefully jumpstart the rest of the year for you with our daily driver triple play challenge. Now you might be wondering, like, what is the daily driver triple play? What is that? What does that mean? What does that entail? Well, we want to help you start on your health journey. Sorry, I was traveling, so my voice is a little scratchy. I was traveling from Arizona last night. I got in late, but I am here with you all this morning, and we're kicking off. Good morning, our daily driver triple play challenge this week for National Truck Driver Appreciation Week. Today is day 0. Why do we have a day 0? Because I want to make sure you're ready for the next 5 days. And this day 0 is to help kind of get the wheels turning and get you moving and motivated in the right direction so that you can start changing lanes in your health and wellness today. If you're just joining us, say hello down in the comments, and hello and happy week to you. We can't do this amazing thing called life in America without you truck drivers, and so I want to say thank you on behalf of everybody else. So if you're participating in our daily driver triple play challenge, there is a link in this post here for you to register. Why should you register? Because you're not only going to be able to participate in all the amazing things, you're going to get the follow-up emails, you're going to get all the little spot coaching, but you're also going to get one of our t-shirts, one of our Mother Trucker Yoga t-shirts for free. So you'll get that registration, and you can have that sent to wherever it is that you like. So kind of a cool extra little bonus. But what is the daily driver triple play challenge? What is that? How does that work? What does that entail? Well, for the next 5 days, so today you get to think about it. If you want to do it, awesome, but today you get to think about what that'll be. For the next 5 days, we're going to focus on 3 key categories. So what are those 3 key categories? So the first one is physical wins. So every single day this week, we want to have a physical win in your life. What does that mean? What does that look like? Well, that could be making sure you're walking at least 1,000 steps. We could even say, let's walk 2,000 steps, which is roughly about a mile. And so we don't need 10,000, we don't need 8,000, we don't need any of that. We just want you having some type of a physical win for the next 5 days. I want you to think about, where is your starting line right now? Meaning, what are you already doing? If you're already walking 10,000 steps, cool. Why not add 1,000 on and make it 11? If you're already walking 5 steps, awesome. Why not add on 1,000 and make it 1,005? So we want to have some type of physical win. That physical win could also look like drinking 1 more bottle of water than what you already are. So if you're not a water drinker, that means for the next 5 days, you're going to really challenge yourself to have that bottle of water. We'll talk more about what that looks like tomorrow and in the days to come. A physical win could also be you stretching, you doing 15 minutes of yoga, you maybe doing some hand weights. Whatever it is, 15 minutes of some type of movement dedicated to your body, your health over the next 5 days. So that's our physical win. The second category is our mental win. What is a mental win? A mental win is you taking time and reading 5 minutes of something to create some uplift and create some gratitude in your life. That can be you journaling every single night. Maybe you're going to journal about your day, or journal about your future, or journal about you want, or just get everything out if you're having kind of a little bit of a hard time right now. but it's a great way to process mental stress. Maybe you're going to do something creative. Maybe you like to draw and you haven't drawn in a really long time. Maybe you like to dance. Maybe you like whatever it is, something creative. Maybe your mental win is for the next 5 days. You're not going to gossip. You're not going to post anything harsh or mean or cruel on social media. If maybe you just can't help yourself sometimes. I know that feeling. Maybe you're going to call somebody that you know is in need or hurting every single day for the next 5 days. Because that mental win is pretty awesome, because it's not just for you, it's for them too. Maybe you're going to go to bed 15 minutes early or practice some deep breathing. These are all just examples of what a mental win could look like. And then our final category in the Daily Driver Triple Play Challenge. So we have physical wins, we have mental wins, and the last one is a spiritual win. And so we have to think about ourselves inside. And so that physical win, again, can be you maybe getting out and getting some extra steps, drinking an extra bottle of water than what you normally do, maybe getting some fruit and veggies, whatever that is, stretching, squats, weightlifting, whatever it is. Use water bottles, but we want to make sure we get a physical win. We want to make sure we get a mental win. Okay, what's that mental win for you? So that could be gratitude, that could be journaling, that could be calling somebody in need and having some time with them and uplifting them, because that's a great give back. Going to bed early, we talked about no gossip. But then that last category in the Daily Driver Triple Play Challenge is spiritual. Because when our spirit is right, when we feel good on the inside, that does trickle down to how it is we feel on the outside, how we present ourselves, how we interact with other people. And so whether or not you see that yet, I want you to also think about this third category, which is spiritual. That can be you practicing meditation. 1 minute, set a timer. Maybe every day you add a minute here. 1 minute, you're going to sit in silence and just focus on your breathing. That's meditation. That's meditation. Maybe you're going to add prayer into your day. Just a prayer of gratitude or a prayer to your higher power or whatever it is. Maybe you're going to read a prayer book. Maybe I'm going to listen to an uplifting podcast. I listen to a lot of news. I listen to a lot of politics. I'm going to listen to something spiritually nurturing. I personally love Joyce Meyer. I love Billy Graham. And so those are some suggestions. Maybe you want to listen to Mel Robbins. Who knows? Just search spiritual podcasts and see what comes up and listen to one every day for the next 5 days. Maybe you're reading a book that really just feeds your soul, and you're going to continue to do that for the next 5 days. But I want you to think, what would a spiritual win look like for you over the next 5 days? These three categories we're going to focus on here during National Truck Driver Appreciation Week to help you kickstart your focus towards your health and wellness. Because it's not just if we lose weight, it's not just if we gain muscle, it's not just if we can follow the keto diet plan perfectly or whatever it is. It's about how we look at ourselves and how we treat ourselves and how we put ourselves out into the world. That really is the baseline of health and wellness and longevity. And if we don't start taking care of ourselves, there ain't nobody to drive that truck. There ain't nobody to go home to see the family. And so you matter. Let's start practicing self-care with our Daily Driver Triple Play Challenge. You can register with the link officially, grab your free t-shirt, and you can start changing lanes in your health and wellness today. Meet me here every day this week at 8 a.m. Central, where we'll be talking about a specific topic in the Daily Driver Triple Play Challenge that's going to help you change lanes in your health and wellness, you change lanes in your lifestyle, and you change lanes in how you see yourself and how you present yourself to the world. I'm here for you. 3, 2, 1, blast off. Let's do this, my friends. Share this out with fellow drivers that you feel like might want to participate. I'll see you tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. Central, right here, same place.